What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to go over something that's really important, and if you don't follow this correctly, it can cause you to get either suspended or banned from Amazon, or potentially have your reviews removed. Now, of course, today we're going to be talking about the reviews, and the most important thing that we want to remember with the reviews is that we're not incentivizing them. Like, we're not asking for positive reviews on the product, or asking somebody to do a specific type of review for us. And this comes into play when it comes to emailing our customers and doing what do you call those things, like email follow-ups with our customers after they've already purchased the product, right? So the first thing that we're going to go over is how you can get your reviews on Amazon. The new updated version in 2018, because I know, and you guys probably know, that they're cracking down on the reviews, right? I've already had multiple of mine removed, and that's because I've traded reviews before in the past. Now we can't do that anymore. If you trade reviews, Amazon's going to find out. It's going to catch it in their algorithm. They'll be like, okay, this account left a review for the other account, and this account left a review for the other one. So you guys cannot do that. Your reviews will be removed, and you're risking your account. So get that out of the door. You can't trade anymore. So the only way you're going to be able to get these reviews is by going on. So the first thing that you guys can do is go on Facebook, and what you're going to do is go on these Amazon related groups. Go on these Amazon entrepreneur groups, and find people on there that are willing to do a review for you. So you can go on Elite Entrepreneurs, or Amazon Freedom, the Freedom Group, or just find these Amazon related groups, groups where people like to review products, where people love to have a product sent over to them and leave a review for you. Now, of course, when you actually go on here, which all you guys have to do, so you find somebody that might want to do a review for you, just go over to the name. Don't add them as a friend. All you want to do is message them. So here we go. So you can just click on their name, and then you want to click message here. You don't want to add them as a friend, because if you add them as a friend, Amazon can catch on to that, and they will figure that out, and find out that you're doing this fake review. Now, of course, we have to bend the rules a little bit here. We have to bend the terms of service in order to get what we want on Amazon. But there's ways to do it in order to not get in trouble, right? So this is the first way that you guys can do it. Now, it doesn't matter what type of group you go into. I know you guys are probably wondering, like, okay, I contact this person. What if they only wanted to leave a review for my product just because they want to figure out what it is? Now, guys, that's a risk that you have to take, right? There's no way you can really avoid that. And just because, you remember, you're only getting initially 10 reviews, and out of those 10 people, how many of them are actually going to become competitors of you? How many of them are going to be able to jump on the marketplace, as soon as you are, in order to compete with you? So that shouldn't be something you should be worried about. And then when you do these reviews, find these people on Facebook. You can choose to either, they should be able to do it for free, right? Now, if you want to do something extra, like have them post a picture and do a long video review for you, which I highly recommend for you guys. You can throw them some money, throw them like $5 or $10. That's fine, but it should be free. Overall, it should just be free, and honestly. But once you contact them, there's a manner that you should do it. Be like, hey, I have this product that I want you guys to review. I'll give it to you for free. I'll pay for all the shipping fees and everything. You don't have to pay a penny. All I ask for is just simple, nice review. And of course, don't add them as a friend at all. And then you can just message them on Facebook, and then you'll be good to go. Now, the second thing that we're going to go over is going on Fiverr. Now, these are for if you want to do reviews more professionally, like get somebody to leave a video review for you, or leave really good pictures for you in a review. Now, that's why you go to Fiverr. You're able to outsource these types of things. Now, of course, there are going to be people on here that be like, okay, you know what, I don't do Amazon reviews because I know the controversy behind it. But yeah, you can still go in here. There'll still be people that are willing to do that. especially if you pay them a certain amount of money. But you can just message them on here, see if it's okay with them, see if it's okay if they do a video review of the product, do a picture review of the product, and have them post that review. You can find people on here that'll do that. Some of them might, some of them might not. So that's definitely something you guys should understand. And also, if they don't want to post a review themselves, have them send them the video to you and have someone else post the review with that video or picture. Because there is really no way for Amazon knowing that you took a file and you send it over to someone else to leave a review for, unless it's through something like or texting, or when you have them added as a friend. So going on to the next thing, which you guys can do is doing it the natural way, which is through a email autoresponder like Zonmaster or JumpSend. I highly suggest you guys use Zonmaster because that one's more it's quicker when it comes to responding to people's purchases and actions that they take when they buy your product, as compared to JumpSend, which is a little bit delayed. So all you have to do is go on, just look up Zonmaster. You can click on it right here. It's an Amazon Seller Assistant. Basically, how it works is it's really easy to use as well, because you'll be able to click the triggers for a product. Like as soon as somebody buys your product, they'll get whatever message you want to send them. And of course, when you write these reviews, when you ask these people for reviews in your email, you have to make it as like not incentivized, right? You don't want to be like, hey, can you leave a positive 5-star review for me? Can you leave a good review for me? You do not want to do that, because there's tons of people on YouTube, there's tons of people on the internet that have done that, and they've got their account suspended, and that's messed them up. So you don't want to do that. I'll leave a template for you guys soon enough. Maybe I can get up this video or the next, but make sure you mention down in the comments below if you want that, because I can give that to you guys of what I use. And the reason why we don't want to do that is because Amazon knows, like I said, they're cracking down on these fake reviews. So if they find out you're doing that, you're going to mess up your account. So the best way that you can ask for these reviews, just say, I want an honest review from you guys about how you like the product, if you disliked it or liked it. And I wouldn't even say that, just be like, I want an honest, true, genuine review, and that's it, right? And then of course you can ask them that maybe once or 2 times, and then that's it. You don't want to keep asking them, because if you do, you're raising that risk of people either reporting you for getting harassment or whatever, because that's happened before. I've seen that happen. And we don't want people to or we don't want Amazon's algorithm to catch on to that, because these autoresponder emails, they're sent through Amazon. So Amazon, they basically screen these emails as they go through and send as they're sent over to the customer. So that's definitely something you guys should make sure you're looking out for. But that is the top 3 ways, in my opinion, of how you can do this. Now, the first one I think is through Facebook. There's tons of people on there that you can contact. And the second way is through Fiverr. That's more of the professional version of it. And third is, naturally through Zonmaster or some other email or autoresponder that you guys can use. So honestly, any other way, of course, don't contact people through texting. Amazon are probably they're probably able to figure that out too. But I'm trying to think of something else that you guys can do. Those are generally the safest ways that you guys can do it. If you have another way that you do it, outsource it somehow, you guys can do that as well. But the number one thing that you don't want to do, guys, is trade reviews. And secondly is do not incentivize reviews in your email autoresponders. Now, when you do these emails and stuff, and you ask for a review, they're not always going to give you a review, right? Maybe like 1 out of 10 or 2 or 3 out of 10 maybe give you a review per email. But it's not a high percentage, because now, if you guys don't know, in 2018, for some reason a lot of people like to cut off their messaging or all the emails that they want to receive from Amazon. So a lot of this stuff gets cut off, but there's still a good chunk of people that have it on still and still receive these emails and are willing to still open them, and they're not really annoyed by it as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to tell you guys this real quick, just so you don't do any of these crazy things, because if you do it, you're putting your account at risk. And you know, guys, even though they're cracking down these reviews like this, it's fine. Like, don't panic, don't be like, oh, this is the end of Amazon, because it's not. This is just a way to you know, this way of doing things is going to make it so that it makes the people that are, you know, that are scared of this, they're going to run off, while the people like us that improvise, that don't care that something like this would happen, and it's going to help us out and you know, take advantage of this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'll make sure you like it down below, and also comment what you guys want to see next. So because you know, I'm running off these, I'm trying to run off of you know, ideas I think you guys might be interested. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below too. We do daily uploads here, very informational. So I also have I have like 2 different templates down below that you guys can use that talk about the how to start on Amazon. You know, it's really simple, 10 steps, and another one is about contacting your suppliers. So 2 very important things. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace.